Good morning student. Welcome to our virtual class of computer. In previous session we learned about computer and some parts of computer. I hope you understood the previous session of computer. Today we learn other parts of computer. CPU. This is the picture of CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU is the brain of a computer which helps us to remember everything. The CPU helps a computer to process and perform various operations, store data and information. A CPU has two buttons, on and off button and restart button. Next, mouse. We use our finger to point at things. Similarly, a computer mouse also point on various objects on computer screen. Therefore, it is also known as pointing device. A mouse is easy to use, increase speed and make selection easier, reduce the task of remembering. A mouse has three buttons: left mouse button, right mouse button and scroll button. In this activity, each button of mouse has its own function. In left mouse button, single click for selection, double click for open, click and drag for drawing. Right mouse button is used to open special menu. Scroll button is used to move the page up and down. In the picture given above, color the left mouse button red, color the right mouse button blue, color the scroll button yellow, color the body of mouse pink, color the mouse pad grey. This hands-on activity is done in the computer lab, but I do this activity here. How many number of CPU and monitors in lab? 45. How many number of keyboards and mouse? 45. Do you find all computers connected to power supply? Put the tick mark on the yes option. Let us play and complete the crossword puzzle using the hint given below. Across. I am an electronic device. Who is an electronic device? Computer. Computer is an electronic device. I am a pointing device. Who is pointing device? Mouse. Mouse is an pointing device. In down, you can type using me. Which device is used for typing? Keyboard. Keyboard is used for typing. Next, I am the brain of a computer. Who is the brain of a computer? CPU. CPU is the brain of computer. Next and last, I look like a TV screen. Who look like a TV screen? Monitor. Monitor is the look like a TV screen. There is a group activity, so we can't do it in home. So let's do the next topic. How to on and off a computer. First, switch on the UPS or the main power switch. Second, press the on off button on the CPU. Next, press the on off button on the monitor. This process of switching on the computer is called booting. Here is an activity about machine. Find out the process of operating various electronic devices and complete the table given below. First one is done for you. First machine is washing machine. Now read the steps for using the washing machine. First, switch on the main power button. Then press the on button on the machine. Like this, complete the full table with the help of your parents, and also find any common step in case of all the application and write yes in the provided space. Now, in hands-on activity, in this activity is done in the lab, but I do for you is here. The first screen, that you will get on the computer will look like the picture given below. This screen is known as desktop. Now write down the step you follow to switch on the computer in the space provided. First, switch on the power supply button. Write down. Second, press the on and off button on CPU. Then press the on and off button on the monitor. Now we learn about the turning off the computer. Dobo was playing a game on the computer, but when his mother called him, he was about to leave the room and his father stopped him and told him, shut on your computer very properly. Turning off the computer properly is equally important to keep the computer and data safe, else you will spoil it. Besides, it is important to save electricity at all times. Always follow the steps given below to turn off the computer. First, click on the start button. Then click on the turn off computer. When you click on the turn off button, a dialog box will appear having three options: standby, turn off and restart. Now click on the turn off option. Next, switch off the UPS or the power source. So students, I have to taught you how to on and off the computer. So please complete this activity with your parents. So now chapter is completed and now we have to do assessment activity. Guess who I am. I store all the data in a computer. Where we store the data? In CPU. Second, I display whatever you type. When we type anything, where it will be displayed? Monitor. Third, you can play games on me. Where you play the games? On computer. Next, you can give instruction to the computer using me. We use the keyboard. Keyboard is used to give the instruction to the computer. Next, I am easy to use. Which device is very easy to use? Mouse. Last, process of switching on computer. Which processing of switching on computer? Booting. Now, in second activity, you have to do on your own. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.